Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through enrolling iBus devices into the VISTA H3 in just a few easy steps. First, tap on the menu icon and select Tools. This will bring up the Tools menu where you can access different programming options. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the 4-digit installer code. Enter the code to access the programming section. Once the installer code is accepted, tap on Programming to enter programming mode. This is where we'll configure all devices. From here, tap Peripherals Configuration. This is the hub for all zone programming and device enrollment. Next, tap the plus sign to enter enrollment mode. At the Pair Peripheral Now screen, your iBus will automatically enroll. Once detected, the system will confirm the iBus device is paired. After enrolling the iBus devices, you can configure each device as needed, adjust the settings to match your customer's requirements. Once you've finished editing the iBus device, tap Save to return to the zone list. If you'd like to add another additional iBus device, select Save and add another to continue enrolling wireless devices. Once you've completed the setup, use the back arrow to exit programming mode and return to the main screen. And that's it, you've successfully enrolled your iBus device.